So guys, this is my first time making my Madden video, and we just won a coin up against the Eagles. So we're going to check out what we get in that pack. We have, if Dez Bryant gets more than 8 catches, we will get 25,000 coins. Let's add that. One more pack. This time now we're going to go with some pro packs. Normally pro packs don't come through with elites, but we'll see if these three do. Oh, we have a road to the playoffs, C.J. Wilson. That may go for some coins, I'm not sure. Alright, I think I'm going to quick sell these. I don't think he's going to make the starting squad, but we'll see. Got 2 more. Come on, EA, give me an elite. Okay, center, Travis Frederick. Will he make my team? No, he won't. So that is a very useless card. And we got one more pack to go here. Hopefully EA can come through. I've had a 40-pack bundle. I haven't gotten one elite. This is crazy. I'm done with pro packs, guys. Free safety. Well, hell. Wow. So nothing here, guys. Tune into my next video. Comment if you would like me to open more pro packs. I have 136K. What should I do with it?